So today I will be reviewing the Black Web mechanical gaming keyboard, the LEG. Oh. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh, how do I do that? Just give me a second. It's finally out of the box. The stabilizers probably sound like absolute doo-doo bathwater, but here's a little sound test. It's mechanical blue switches, by the way. I know not the best switches in the world, but I mean I don't care. Clicky. It's better than membrane bullshit. You know, fuck you. Anyways, it's a beautiful keyboard. Yeah, let's unbox the rest of the stuff in the box. Not too much left in the box other than that stuff. Oh, I love you. Anyways. Then we got a manual of some kind, and then we got the magnetic wrist rest. Yeah, set this bad boy up and replace this steaming pile of green lit garbage down underneath the desk. Looking at my shit cable management. Mission impossible. Dun 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 dun. Why is it still lit up? Oh, I unplugged the wrong thing. Give me a sec. Unplug the right cord. Which one is it? I think it's that one. I guessed right. Oh. Oh shit. Oh. It's beautiful. I can't escape the fucking green. I mean, green's not a bad color by no means, but like I don't want it green. But still, look at how beautiful. Got plugged in, still gotta manage the cable somewhat. Stay lit up. Yeah, it's a beautiful keyboard. So I'm figuring out which of the buttons do things, and I got it to breathe oxygen. Look. Wow. Alright, that's enough. Look at this. Oh my, oh, it's going like, oh. Well, I mean, sorry, I'm mesmerizing. Yeah, but, yeah, this is the keyboard. It's fresh, it's better than this. But, yeah, it's looking mint. That's a dead meme, I'm sorry. But yeah, got set up. That's about it.